in here. It's very efficient.
Ladies and gentlemen,
welcome to Ruijie live show. I'm Diana and be happy that Dylan and I co-chair this online Canton fair.
do you want to learn about Ruijie? Do you want to see Ruijie's factory? Let's start a video to meet Ruijie first.
请现场工作人员播放短片。
Shandong Ruijie CNC Technology Group Company Limited, established in 2002, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of fiber laser cutting machine, metal and non-metal mixed laser cutting machine, carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine, advertising CNC router, woodworking CNC router, and plasma cutting machine. We're located in Jinan with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. With powerful R&D team and precise production technology, Ruijie products are not only spread all over the country, but also sell well in more than 120 countries, such as Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the United States. Meanwhile, Ruijie have established factories and branch offices in South Africa, Brazil, Thailand, India, Iran, and other countries, which laid a high status in laser field all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Professional, focused, innovative, and efficient business philosophy is deeply imprinted in the hearts of every Ruijie people. Ruijie people insist on providing the best service to customers and creating the best experience. We're sincere to build business relationship with you. You can talk to our customer service center.
Hello dear, welcome back. The best quality products and the most complete service. We do our best to try to meet different needs of our customers.
Yes, the quality and service is always the goal, Ruijie.
Ruijie has been unremittingly exploring and developing the latest technology in the laser industry. Today's live events are numerous and exciting.
Today, the new technologies and models will be issued and many discounts are waiting for you. So let's follow the cameras walking into our factories and see how our works work and how the machine running. So 请工作人员拨到2号机位。
Hello everyone, I'm the host of today. My name is Lucy. We come from Shandong Ruijie CNC Technology Group Limited. And now we are manufacturer of CNC machine, laser, fiber laser cutting machine, CO2 laser cutting and engraving machinery. Now we are at the CO2 laser machine workshop. CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine mainly for advertising industry, especially for acrylic, wood, PVC, double color, fabric, leather, no metal material cutting and engraving. Okay, now please follow our camera and and we look at our production in details. Okay, please follow me. Okay, now we can check. This is our large format CNC laser machinery, and the machine working size is 1.3 meter, 2.5 meters. This machine, the power is from 80 watt to 180 watt. It's good for cutting, and also this machine with the belt transmission. So if you want to cut in material, and it also with a good fast and cutting effect. As you know, and normally the acrylic sheet size is 1.2 meter, 2.5 meter. So this machine can put a complete acrylic sheet on this table. And if you want to do some large craft, this machine is the best choice. Okay. Hello, let's check this machine. This machine is our new design machine this year, and this machine with the Bose screw transmission. As we all know, Bose screw transmission is a high accuracy transmission at present now, and so if you cut the more thick material, and this machine, the precision is very good, and the machine precision is about 0.1 millimeters. Okay, let's look at the laser head. And this laser head function is autofocus. So when you cut a different thickness of material, the laser head will automatic up and down. And also we look at here. This is a camera, and this is a CCD camera system. This machine can cut carton fair advertising such as acrylic and PVC like this. So that is a very good function machine and good design. Also look here, this is our logo and a brand more than 20 years. Okay, please look behind me, and at present our large format laser machine, the installation is more than 50 sites. So if you order this standard machine, our delivery time is about 1 week. Okay. 那个去激光机那一个，雕刻机那边一个。没说你。Okay, maybe some friends need the smaller machine, and now we can go to the smaller machine here area for check. Let's go. Okay, now we come here. This is our smallest laser machine. The working size is 15 meter and to 30 centimeters. So if you are the user or or want to work in this machine at home, this is the best choice because the machine size is very small and it has the flexible applications. So this is a good choice for you now. Let's go. 安静，快走。Okay, now this is our best-selling machine, P series CO2 laser engraving and cutting machinery. And the machine working size is 1.3 meter and 90 centimeters. This machine with a belt transmission, and the machine can be equipped with 60 watt, 80 watt, and 100 watt, and the maximum is 180 watt. So it means if you want to cut more thickness acrylic, such as 20 millimeter acrylic, and this is a good choice. Also, this machine also can do some small engraving work. It's also very good. Let's go. Come here. This is our best quality high feature machinery H series. This machine with up and down working table, and also look at the laser head. It's with the red light position and also the easy autofocus. So if you choose this machine, you can process many different thickness material, no matter acrylic, wood, PVC, or other materials. Okay, let's go. And just now I show you is the working area is 1.3 meter to 18 meters. Maybe you think the size is a little bigger. So this size is 1 meter to 60 centimeters. So maybe you like this size is also okay. Okay, let's look here. This is air compressor, exhaust fan, and the water cooling chiller. Before we ship the machine, we also will send all the parts to you. So when you receive the machine, you don't need to prepare any other thing. We will prepare everything for you. Okay. Now we can see our worker is testing for the machine. Most of our workers have more than 10 years experiments for machinery, and now our work is more than 200 people. All the machine will running more than 72 hours before shipment, and also our engineer will inspect it very details to make sure all the parts and all the features is ready, and then we ship the machine to our customer. Okay, we look here. Now the machine is at packing, and when everything is ready, all the machine will put into standard wood box and ship to our customer. Okay, please look behind of me. Now our standard CO2 machine have more than 100 sets in stock. So if you order this standard machine, our delivery time is only 3 days to 1 week. Okay, that is the instruction of CO2 laser machine, and thanks for your watching. Okay, and now also I want to show you our CNC machine for your look. Okay, let's go. 开走，开走，开走，开走，开走，二哥，哎呦，天哪！ Okay, look here. This is our heavy-duty CNC machine structure. The machine size is 2 meters to 3 meters. And look at the spindle. This is air cooling ATC spindle. The spindle power is 9 kilowatt. And this is the best choice for all the woodworking machinery, woodworking work. Okay. Let's go. 亮哥，快走，走到那个机器那儿，快，快呀！ Okay, come here. now we look at our standard wood CNC router. This is our standard size. The working size is 1.3 meter to 2.5 meters. And this machine with the vacuum system. The vacuum table with the 5.5 kilowatt vacuum pump, so it's good for all the wood board to fix. And also if you have other smaller pieces for working, and also we have the clamps to fix it. So this machine is not only for the working, also for the advertising such as acrylic and copper, plastic like this. Both working. Okay, look at the spindle. This spindle is the air cooling spindle, and the spindle power is from 3 kilowatt to 9 kilowatt. All the customer can choose the spindle power according to the material thickness. And also this transmission can make sure the machine running very fast and stronger. Also look at this. And all the machine gantry we install the emergency switch. So during the working, if an accident and we put the switch, the machine will stop. So it can make sure the worker and the machine is in safe. Let's go. 在这就可以了。对。Okay, this is the machine controller. The controller name is DSP controller, and it's the smart controller. It's convenient for the worker to cooperation and to running the machine. Also, if you prefer the computer controller, we also have the NC Studio for your choice. Let's have a look at the control box. Yeah, it's very clear. Sure. Okay. Just now I show you the size is 1.3 meter by 2.5 meter. Maybe customers think the size is too small. So we have the bigger size for you. This machine size is 2 meter by 3 meters. Also we have the bigger size 2 meter by 4 meter or by 6 meters. So all the customer according to your need to choose the machine size. Okay. Now our CNC machine production is about 200 sizes per month. So if you have the order, and we can deliver it as soon as possible. And also just now I send you is the CNC woodworking machine. Also we have marble CNC router, glass CNC router, and 4-axis rotary CNC router, and auto changer CNC wood routers. As a manufacturer of more than 20 years, we welcome all the friends from all over the world to cooperation with us, and also welcome to be our agent or distributor. Also, if you have your requirement, we also welcome the OEM orders. And okay, that is my introduction to today. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.
From the introduction of my colleague just now, we can see the tidy workshop and professional workers. Okay, the live event will carry on the next item. I will ask my partner Dylan to tell you about our 20 years.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live broadcast room of Ruijie Laser. Now, we are located in the Ruijie Laser's new factory. This new factory includes 4 production workshops and 1 office building, carrying an.
From the introduction of my colleague just now, we can see the tidy workshop and professional workers. Okay, the live event will carry on the next item. I will ask my partner Dylan to tell you about our 20 years.
Ruijie CNC Group is established in 1997, which has a 20 years old experience on CNC machines. With the help of our teams, we offer cleans better and offer world different. Up to the last year 2019, our annual sales is up to $100 million US, and there are more than 100 models and 2,000 equipment was exported to the world. More than 300 staff and 30 after-sales engineers are working in Ruijie. In 1997, the first Ruijie brand cutting plotter is created, and in the following years, the CNC router was designed and researched by our engineer. And in the next year, 2002, The CNC router passed the ISO 9000 certification. In the following 3 years, our CNC router enjoy good popularities, and the branch in Brazil and South Africa was founded. In 2010, the first fiber laser cutting machine was designed, and up to now we have more than 47 square meters factories, and we have 20 years experience on CNC routers and more than 10 years experience on fiber laser cutting machines.
In the process of the modernization, the development of Shandong laser industry has attracted the attention of the world, and it is also talked about by the world.
Ruijie, as one of the leaders in laser industries, offer world difference and enlighten the future.
Okay, we carry out the next activity. My colleague John will tell you about our Star series of products.
So let's follow the cameras to walk into our showrooms and see the details of the machines. 请工作人员将镜头转换到展示区。
Okay, guys, welcome. So here we are standing in our showroom of Ruijie here. And in this showroom, you will see most of Ruijie standard machines here in this place. And we got the fiber laser cutting machine, we got CNC router, we got CO2 and plasma here. So follow me, we check the fiber laser first. Okay, this is the first machine. As we know, fiber laser is mainly for the metal processing, metal cutting, and to be specific, is tube cutting and sheet metal cutting. And this machine is just combine the two functions together. In the left side is the tube cutting part, and right side is the sheet metal cutting part. And for the tube cutting, it would cut with the diameter from 20 millimeters to 220 millimeters. And this one is 6 meters long tube cutting equipment here. Okay, great. So we can see for this machine, this is auto chuck tube cutting. That the front is electrical and rear is a pneumatic. So we have the other side, other one is both rear and front pneumatic chucks. And here we can get more detail here. You know, the chuck is special designed with a prolonged equipment. That means with the cutting going on, this chuck moves to the front, and this one could go into the front, to the front chuck, which saves a lot of the tailings of the tube cutting. Great. And for the sheet cutting part here, let's see, first, the cutting head. So this one is a Bluetooth cutting head, one of the best in China with the Switzerland technology. And this cutting head is also equipped with technology of the autofocus. That means that when you are cutting with different materials with various kind of thickness, so the first time you do the cutting, you just save the parameters in the same cutting, the software. The next time when you do the same cutting, same metal cutting, you just click on it. It will do the autofocus automatically, which saves a lot of time and efficiency. And for this one, this is sheet cutting part with 3 meters and 3 meters long and 1.5 meters wide of the cutting area. Okay, let's move back to get more detail. As we see the cabinet, a separate cabinet with all the electric parts and wirings inside to guarantee the safety here. And the most important thing, laser sauce. Ruijie is the company that we cooperate with the most. You know, for Ruijie, we have 4 different laser sauce options. Germany, IPG from Germany, and N-Line from the United States. Also, Ruijie and Max from China. this is 1.5 kilowatts laser saws. And for this machine, we can make it equipped to maximum 6 kilowatts laser saws here. Okay, the next one, shader. To do the dual cooling to the laser saws and the cutting head, we got two different brands, Hanli and SA. And this one is Hanli. Okay. So this part, in the rear of the fiber laser cutting machine, you can see there's ventilating equipment design, which is for the environment-friendly purpose here. Okay, we can move front and we can see how is the cutting performance of this machine. Let's go. Okay, let's invite our engineer, Mr. Xu, to do the cherry cutting of the tube for us. Let's see. Okay, as here after it's just newly cut, it's very hot, like burning. So we have to wear a glass to guarantee the safety here. So you can see how the cutting edge is very smooth, And here is a round hole and a square hole in the cutting. And in here, you can see that it's not dropping into this because in the SafeCut software we just use one function of the macro joint. Macro joint, that means that during the cutting, when the lighters is finished the cutting, there's a macro joint. Avoid it from dropping from the tube cutting. Okay, so we just put it here. And one other thing I have to mention, for the fiber laser cutting machine, normally we use the nitrogen and oxygen to do the cutting. And for this one, to consider our customers' requirements of the of the consumable cost here, and we used the compressed air. So you can see this cutting is by the compressed air, saved a lot of cost and great of the performance. We just put it here. Okay. This is one more sample of the cutting in the round tube. Used a lot in the furniture making and decorations here. You can see Ruijie, our logo. Okay. So we can move to the next machine here, the B-tab. Just follow me. As we know, there are high powers. I think here there are a maximum of 15 kilowatts. And with this equipment and this high power laser cutting machine, we have to make it the safety top priority. So this one we just made it as a protection cover. You can see that during the cutting process, the door is closed, and people just stand here to check from the screen how is the cutting performance to avoid any possible damage or any possible risk to people who is operating this machine. Okay, you can see inside there are dual cameras. We can also see here from the screen. There are dual cameras. You can check how it's going on, how is the cutting process inside, and how is everything that is in the rear platform. Okay, we can just move back and see more detail of this. As we talked, electric cabinet, laser saws, also rakers laser saws 3.3. As we know, from most of our customers, rakers is, with the largest selection, because they think rakers with the similar cutting performance with IPG or Online Life, but it's more cost effective. Okay. Next one, Hanli wall chiller, dual cooling to laser saws and cutting head. We can move here the back side of the fiber laser cutting machine P-tab. The fiber laser cutting machine 3015 P-tab with protection cover, always equipped with an exchanger pilot. This is what you are seeing. You do not need to do the loading and unloading from front side. You can do it here. And even it's just doing the cutting in the front there, and here it saves a lot of time. You can do the loading and unloading here. It's very efficiency. And also it takes only 10 to 15 seconds for the one-time exchange of the pallets. Okay, so we can move back to the front side and see how the cutting performance of the fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, we come back. Still, we'll invite Mr. Xu to do a try cutting for us. This is 3.3 kilowatts and the cutting of 18 millimeter carbon steel. Let's see how it works. Okay, great. Just finished the cutting. This is new cut. Okay, easily remove it here and make it more clean. So this is 18 millimeter of the carbon steel cutting with this 3.3 kilowatts fiber laser cutting machine. Nice and beautiful surface, smooth, bright. Okay, great. We just leave it here. So follow me. In front of us, there are two standard machines. When I say standard, because there's no protection, no exchanger pallet, but saves a lot of space, and which the most custom pick here. And the left side is the S-Tab 3015S, and the right side is the H-Tab 3015H. The difference is that for the S-Tab, we make it focus on the small power source. That is, S-Tab can, for the customer, they need like maximum 2 kilowatts, we recommend S-Tab. And if we need higher, H-Tab is the best solution, with the best options here. Okay. Other difference is that, S-Tab here, there's no electric cabinet, which saves a lot of space. And we can come here and see. There's no electrical cabinet, which is designed especially to put all the electrical parts inside here. Saves a lot of space, just in this part and that part. We get some customers with requirement of the space limitations. They can just send us and use this machine, the S-Tab. Okay, great. So this is 1 kilowatts. And 1 kilowatts fiber laser cutting machine is capable of cutting maximum 5 millimeters of stainless steel and 12 millimeters of carbon steel. And here, our engineer, Mr. Xu, is going to show us how the fly cutting is. Fly cutting is one special function to show how the speed is of this fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, let's welcome Mr. Xu to do the showing. Okay. Fantastic. Splendid. Very fast. You can see the round hose and the square hose very fast here. And this is very easy to remove. Very easy to remove. So there's no problem with here. Just show you the speed of this machine. 1 kilowatts. Best selling. 1 kilowatts and 1.5 with the S-type. So if a customer need this machine with 1 kilowatt, 1.5 kilowatt need your requirement, so you can pick this one. Okay, guys. So we know that fiber laser cutting machine, each customer has his own cutting requirement. Maybe there are a lot of new functions you do not know. Here, we'll show you how many other things the fiber laser cutting machine could do. Okay, just follow me here. See what this one is. An eagle, right? Just cutting by our machine. Sorry, but we have to borrow one piece of the leather. You can see how the surface of this carbon. The carbon steel. Smooth and bright. Smooth and bright. Okay, we can return. The second one, 3-wheeled bicycle. Children, they really like it a lot. Okay, the chairs. Comfortable, enjoying the life. Okay, the next table, we can see it lists the different thickness of the different material, easy for customer reference. Stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, and copper. Also this size here also. Okay, next one I'll show you. This is a round tube. The cutting. Nice cutting. Beautiful design. It's a bird. Okay. And this is also a square. A square tube. A rectangle. Okay. We can go to the next table. Here, follow me. See what this is? A tower, right? Small pieces, a lot of small pieces. As we talked in the first one, they're bright cutting, right, and smooth surface. Very nice. Here, this one. It shows the dragon and the phoenix, which in China's culture means bringing happiness. Okay, let's come here. This was something I want to say. You know, fiber laser cutting machine is not only for the cutting, but also for the laser marking here. This is also made by our fiber laser here. Please do not touch. Okay, let's leave it here. Dinosaur. George liked it a lot in the cartoon. That's his favorite. Okay, a dragon. In Chinese culture, dragon is a creature that helps people, that protects people. It's not like different cultures that could be evil. But in China, we like it a lot. Okay. So the final one I'm going to show you is a butterfly. Kind of scary. We see the butterfly, but it looks like a transformer, right? In the movie Transformer. But fantastic and great. Okay, guys. So for the fiber laser cutting machine, we just make it a lot and brief introduction for this. You know, Ruijie has been with 20 years manufacturing experience. We have not only the fiber laser, but also the CO2 and wood engraver and CCD, a lot of different machines, the portfolio for you. And just give me 1 minute, our workmate, Anna, will have you know more about the other machines here.
Hello everyone, this is Anna. Thanks to my colleague John for wonderful speech of fiber laser cutting machine. As you know, fiber laser cutting machine is used for metal industry. And today I will introduce several machines for 9-metal industry. That's CC router and CO2 laser machine. First machine, CC router with CCD. This machine working area is 1.3 meter by 2.5 meters. This size is hot because the material in advertising industry like MDF, PVC, lotus board, acrylic, solid wooden box is normally the size is 1.24 meters. Let's check the machine working. 李哥，切，你就直接让它这样动着嘛。Let's look the machine working work. Check the working samples. For all the samples worked from our CC router, the edge is very bright and the here never chips in. The edge never chips in, and no extra white edge. If you test some material in other factory with chipping edge, then the whole board will be a great waste because to cut through with very high speed and highly the working base. The working base, if customer need various or different models, can order from our factory, can also order from the tool supplier. That's very convenient, no need to worry about it. Okay, that's the second machine. The third machine, CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. From the factory showing, Lucy already introduced several laser machines with detailed information. And this one is our